Hi everybody, it's Erin from Epapere. That's E-P-A-P-E-R-E on Etsy. And today I'm going to do a flip through of my Think Pink digital set. It's all-in-one kit, so you get both the papers and the ephemera add-ons all in one. It's a smaller, slightly smaller kit, so that's why it's all in one. I did this one thinking, I know we have a lot of pink lovers, but most of what we see in the pinks is a little bit more on the shabby chic side. So I wanted to do something that incorporated the entire spectrum of pinks, from light to almost purple, burgundy, and kind of was a little bit more vibrant, maybe some more modern touches, something that was just a little bit different, but still vintage. So let's start the flip through. This first page, this is one of the feature pages. This one is more of a kind of a bright fuchsia ground. It's a little shady over here, so if you're not seeing quite the vibrancy of it, I apologize. I like to do my pages so that each half of the page has a full composition, so you can use this as an all-in-one. It would be a great center signature, but if you were to fold this and create it through the signature, there's your composition. You've got this half and you've got that half. So that's what the pages would look like. I had to go inside and grab myself an extra paperweight. There we go. All right, this one. So here this is where I've kind of worked in, kind of a ribbony mandala in the background. That's an original creation of mine, worked in with the vintage graphics. I like to work in, I worked in the black and white with this pink, so that's really featuring kind of the pink. And you could match this setup, mix and match this with any other color and create a theme from that, because I've kept this predominantly neutral other than the pink. So here's your right hand composition, and your left hand composition. So this one kind of fashionable ladies on this one. This one I went a little bit more towards burgundy purple. We went, definitely kept the butterfly theme with our, beautiful ladies and a bit of a grungier look, but still with the more vibrant colors. This one I've actually even split into 4. So you could cut this into cards very easily and have, 4 distinct pieces, or you've got still a right and left composition on this page. So all right, this is one of the journaling blanks that I've got. This background is actually from some sheet music that I have and have scanned, and we've got some other kind of ephemera and script working into here, and of course some roses. I moved away from black and white on this and kept these in more of just the pinks, but still all very neutral, and some really nice writing space there with it, just a nice looking background. So good to mix in with any other kit that you're working with, I think. This is another one of the writing blanks. This one I did more with the dot grid for those that like that. And this would also be a really great background to print on the back end of the ephemera pages or on the opposite side of any of the feature pages, just to, this one's just kind of more, it's a grungy, almost coffee dyed look, but it's more of the pinks. Again, I would say it's maybe close to an avocado dyed kind of color, but just a little bit more variation in the color and the depth. And I've added this dot grid and some florals to it. And again, you'll notice we've got a left and a right composition there, so it's easily adaptable to fold into a signature. This one's upside down. So here's my nod to, there's a couple pages in here that are a nod to those that still love a good shabby chic pink. I do too, but and I thought, hey, let's put something in here. So I've got You know, it's just a nice, sweet, almost like a wallpaper print going on in the background with some florals, some cute little bees on it. This is the nice soft pink. Again, this would be another great background page, I think, for the opposite side of ephemera, or the opposite side of the feature pages. I think it's still light enough you can write on it, but you know, I think it would be a great backer for tags and stuff. So all right, and this one kind of goes middle of the road. It's a little bit shabby chic, but it's a little bit vibrant. It's also upside down. All right. And this one I made for, you know, kind of that wallpaper look. It's got a little bit of a wood grain in the back, a little bit of gold foil look to it, that shabby pink rose look to it. I think it turned out really nice. You can cut this into belly bands or borders, you know, whatever. So I think it's just a really nice, versatile page. And, you know, these in between here, decorate those and use those as belly bands, or, you know, whatever. I think it'd just be a really, it might make a really nice cover too. So, all right. Okay. Ephemera Sheet One, and I've got these printed on cards, so hopefully they'll lay down for me a little bit better. This particular page has got 3 large tags on it. Again, I've tried to utilize the full spectrum of pinks, so you've got a little bit kind of darker, brighter. We've got some that are softer. We've got some pinks with neutrals woven in there. I realize that the words are backwards on this, but from a composition standpoint, I figure nobody's reading it anyway, and I just like the way this composition worked out design-wise. So for those of you that are bothered by that, I'm sorry, but it was just kind of an artistic decision on my part. So pink is everything, right? 4 puzzle pieces. You know, some of these have got like a little bit more of a feature look to them. Others are background pieces. You can decorate these yourselves, add them to a cluster. Really versatile. Yep. Cardstock is quite a bit thicker. All right. This page I did a, you know, purposely made belly band or bookmark, you know, whatever. This has got more of a blushy peachy pink with the black and white florals on it. Again, yes, I know printing's backwards, but that's just the way I liked it. I figure you're probably going to put something over it anyway, right? We've got 2 corner pockets. These are definitely, you know, composed to go. That one's a little bit brighter, and we've got our birds repeating from before. This one I did more of a butterfly theme. This could really go either way. And then over here we've got some small cards. I want to say these are probably about 1.5 inches by about maybe 2.5 to 3 inches. Nice small cards. They fit really nicely into, you know, smaller envelopes. So we've got our fashion ladies and bringing our blacks back in. So there we go. All right, final page of ephemera. I've got a big envelope for you, and these are 1-inch rounds. So you should be able to use your punches to get these out really easily for just very nice and quick little accents on some pages. I snuck a couple of extra colors in here for the tickets, but that are all part of the, you know, part of the overall palette for the kit. I went a little bit darker and crazier with these postage stamps. Again, just trying to create something that's a bit of a brighter accent, bring that black back in, which is nice. And then I created this tag. It's kind of a smaller tag, but put some scroll work. I added the roses and the leaves around there just to kind of do a little something extra for that one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Again, this is the Think Pink collection from ePapere. Thanks.